Can we expect for volume liquidity to pick up this month once it breaks the inside month? Or is this typical summer volume liquidity we can expect? Yeah, that's something we'd want to know, because one of the things, and like I said, I'm going to do the strat attack tomorrow to let the CPI come out, is that when I run scans, like, I always want to see how many twos are in one direction or the other, right? What's going on here, right? Do we have a mixed bag? Do we have a ton of inside months? But if you can take this out to the downside, a lot of things would probably be cratering, right? A lot of things would start going two down on the month, and that's something I'd want to know. So you do have exhaustion risk because would be going into lower lows, but you'd also have full time frame continuity, including the yearly and the quarterly, right? That's something I'd want to know about, right? Because all these buy the dippers all this whole way up, now getting pounded and pounded and pounded, and they get their little break here, and they get the little break here. But once again, we know where people put stops. And we know what time frame continuity means. We know that they're hitting the bid. That's what they're doing. that's what they're doing in size. And also, do we have any market leadership to pull us out of something? And what I mean by that is, do we have any signals to the upside? Because we've known XLE was good until here, and now trying to go out. And we knew once this went here, a potential 3-month. So we had all these good months. Then once we came back into here, we knew to jump ship, or at least to protect, right? And you had a gap down, 2 up, 2 down. Does that reassert itself? Well, if it's going to do that, we're going to need a 3, 2, 2, probably coming in August. And I hate to talk about something that's so far in the future, but that's just how it is. That's how we got to look at things. It's like, what's this setting up, right? If it's doing nothing, something's setting up. Eventually, things will pop and do things, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm scanning, like during the day. Like today, they were going after the airlines, early on anyway, American Airlines. So American Airlines, was the 1312, and a lot of the airlines were similar. You just got the market getting pounded. You also had a good chance of an inside month once again. But the 1312 is important because of this. Inside means consolidation. Outside means they both attempted to take direction and failed. Inside means another consolidation. Then they come back with the real guns and say, okay, who's really got the power here? And at this point, the buyers say, we got the power, right? And they like that drop in oil, all right? That's something that they like. We also have, Fed coming up, raising rates. What does that look like? They said they're a 50 basis point Fed. They lied. So, what's that going to look like? So, hopefully that all makes sense.